Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be doing the mid-year freak out tag. I saw a few people doing it and I thought it was an interesting way to sum up the first half of the year. So I have the questions on my phone, so I'm going to be reading off. And the best book you read so far in 2017, and that has to be The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas. Love this book. I thought it was such a well-written book that reflects on current events, things that's happening constantly in the news, and I thought she handled it well. I love that the character was from a working class family, and how they handle a situation that happens in the community, crime, relationship with police, relationship between class, and in things that happen that aren't so great. But she handled it well in this book, and I really loved it. Good book. I gave it a 5-star. Next question. Best sequel you've read so far this year? Well, I haven't read any sequel, but if I was going to talk about a series, I would have to say March and Saga. So, couldn't find where I put my March, but Saga and March. I thought it was a nice, both series were pretty good. Not spectacular, but I did like them. New release you haven't read yet, but you want to. Which I'm currently reading Into the Water by Paula Hawkins. So far, it's okay. But that was released in the first half of the year. New, most anticipated release for the second half of the year. And that I received already, which was What We Lose. I saw this on a few bloggers, and I read the synopsis after I saw it, and I thought this looked like something that I'm really going to enjoy. There's also another one called Stay With Me. I'm sorry, I'll probably put a picture up of the other one that it doesn't come out till August. Biggest disappointment. And this was my biggest disappointment. This book did not, if you read the synopsis of this, it's just not what this book is about. I literally thought for a chunky book like this, and the author, Z.D. Smith is known for writing really good books, and this was a complete waste of my time. I didn't like it. Next one is biggest surprise. It will probably be a Love Letter to Whiskey by Candy Snyder. I'll put a little pictures in there, but that book just inspired me to read more of her books, and I literally read 3 of her books in 1 week. So if an author can do that to me, I thought that was a great book. Favorite new author or debut or new to me? I would have to go with Angie right now. Angie Top, because I thought she did well with this, and she's a new author. So right now, she's up there. Newest fictional crush. Oh man, I would have to say Jamie from Love Letter Whiskey. That man was dedicated to that woman and waited and waited and waited. So if you get a guy to wait that long and still have the passion as if he just met you back in high school, that's a good one. Newest favorite character. That's a tough one, but I don't know. I didn't really have a favorite character, to be honest with you. I think I have a combination of different characters for different things that I enjoyed. I like, I would say Charlie from Home. I just like how, she dealt with her issue in that book. But overall, there's no character that was like wow me, like I'm like remembering them. No. A book that made you cry, and that would be Letters to Eloise, and this is by Emily Williams. I literally cried at the end of that book. I knew it was going to be heartbreaking, but it really made me cry. And that's a book about a young college pregnant woman having a child on her own, and she decided to have like somewhat of a diary, but letters to her unborn child. And it started from when she found out she was pregnant to the end. And I thought it was such a sweet gesture, her writing these letters. But as you read it, you knew something bad was going to happen. Why would she be writing these letters? So that's another good book I highly recommend. And a book that made you happy, in a bad way. But I liked Crimes Against Supper Club. I literally laughed the whole time. It's just I thought it was a hilarious book. Not the most moral book. It's things that happen in the book that's just morally wrong, but I enjoyed it and I laughed the whole time. So that's it for the I have on my list. But I think anybody that hasn't done it should do it. I think you still have time. We're still in the middle of July. Get it done. But anyway, thanks for watching. Go ahead, subscribe, thumbs up, comment. If you read any of these books, let me know how you like it. If not, you should check some of these books out. I think, there was some really good books. Not over the top amazing, but there were some good books I read. And any books that you thought that you read that was good, put that down there too. I'm always looking for good books to read. And thanks for watching, and have a good day.